Getting error codes F09 and E01 on our Maytag front-load washer.
What happened just before your Maytag washer displayed this message?
We had a load of laundry in on cold wash cycle. Then the errors and the machine beeps and will not fully drain.
How long has this been going on with your Maytag washer? What have you tried so far?
About 3 or 4 days. Tried to unplug and restart, but the machine will not even rain on the quick wash cycle without errors and not fully draining.
Is there anything else the appliance expert should know before I connect you? Rest assured that they'll be able to help you.
Not that I can think of.
Hi, my name is. I have been in the repair field for over 20 years. I am sorry you are having issues. I will be glad to help you today. First, you will want to check the drain hose for any blockage or kinks. Check that the standpipe height is within the recommended measurements of between 40–96. If you are not using the recommended detergent, then another cause can be suds causing the drain hose to become restricted. Also, a washing machine is often piped downstream of the kitchen sink drain. The kitchen sink drain will get quite restricted over time. It will still drain, but if it is draining slowly, it will not be an issue until a large amount goes down the drain, like a full washing machine being pumped out. Sometimes the issue is more extreme, like a broken drain pump impeller, or it also could be as simple as a blockage that has to be removed. An example of a simple fix would be for some front-load washing machines. They will have a filter that is accessible at the bottom of the front panel that will have to be cleared periodically.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.